Welcome to Succulent Painting tutorial, suitable for beginners and more advanced artists. Outline drawing is done, available for download, and ready to remove excess amount of graphite off the paper. Covering drawing with paper towel, adding water to color palette, Sap Green. For the second, mix Sap Green with lemon yellow. And third mix, lemon yellow, Sap Green and Perylene Green. Let's start painting. Adding water to one succulent leaf. I will be painting one leaf at a time. I'm not covering water with all succulent head, just one leaf at a time. It is a little bit time consuming, but it's worth the result. Don't rush here and paint in really transparent watercolor layer, working with a fine tip brush with the very tip of this brush, and I'm applying Sap Green with a little touch of the darker mix Sap Green lemon yellow with Perylene Green to the shadow area of each leaf. This tutorial is suitable for beginners, as I mentioned, because you can start this first stage, really work slowly, covering each leaf separately, and just stop there. You don't need to go further. It will look great at this stage already. If you want to go and push yourself more for the hardest part, you can go till the very end. But you can really try this painting at the very beginner level. Next leaf that I'm choosing is a little bit further from the first one, so that they don't touch each other and that the water won't flow into each other. I will be painting the next one for the first one when the first one will be completely dry. So just skip one leaf and paint the next one a little bit further. And doing the same, applying water, then I'm applying transparent layer of Sap Green, adding darker mix to the shadow area. Look carefully at your reference. You will notice where are the shadows. They are really visible, nothing to miss. Work really careful with edges, don't rush here, and you will get great results. Wiping dry my brush in paper towel and smoothing applied darker mix. Adding more shadows to the first leaf. The surface there is still a little bit wet. That way my colors can blend really nicely. With the same technique, continue with all succulent. Just look at the reference, where are darker parts, where are lighter parts. Do the whole head. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you learned something new and enjoyed the process of creating this succulent and painting with watercolors. Thanks for being here. See you in my next tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.